welcome. So this is basically a tutorial video where I will show you how you can find the Vastu of your house just using your mobile phone and a working camera of the phone. Okay, you do not need to have a floor plan. You do not need to measure the house using tapes or whatever. You do not need to bring any drafter who will charge you money for drafting and grading. You do not need that. Okay, you just need a mobile phone, working camera of the mobile, and the Griha Vastu app. Okay, I'll show you hands-on how you can do it on your own. So let's start. Just go to Play Store, download the Griha Vastu app. You can see it's under the retrograde arc name. Okay, so just download it and open. So after you open it, you will see an interface like this. So you will be asked to log in via email. You will get an OTP. After you log in, you will get this interface. Okay, so here you can see you have to choose the first option. Since in this video I will just show you how to find the Vastu of your house limited to a single room. Okay, just to keep it simple. In a different video I will show you how to merge different rooms into an entire house. Okay, so just follow it. I will choose the first option, Vastu analysis. So this is the Vastu standalone card. So when you click it, you will see there is an option called start a new floor plan, or you can open a existing saved floor plan. So that is why you need to have the email login. Okay, so that you can store the already graded floor plans, or maybe astrological things or numerological data. Everything will be synced with your account. That is why you need an account. Okay, so here you will just choose start a new floor plan. Now you see there is an option called how would you like to add your floor plan. So you will get three options: draw floor plan, upload floor plan, and AR scan camera. So in a different video I will show you how to use this app to draw your floor plan. You do not you will get all the options like pencils, pen, paper, canvas. You will get various colors. You will get eraser. You will get lines, rectangles, circles, whatever you want. Okay, just to draw your floor plan just inside this app itself. Okay, you do not need to do it on a piece of paper. That is one option. Another option is upload floor plan. So if you have a floor plan image, or maybe your builder has already given you a floor plan, so you can just upload it here and you can use it directly. That is the second option. Third option is let's say I do not have a floor plan. I do not want to measure my house using a tape. It's very complicated. Also, I do not want to rent a drafter who will actually grid my entire house. I do not want all these complexities. As a normal person, I just want to check my Vastu using my mobile phone. Okay, that can be done using this third option, the ear scan, artificial reality scanning using your phone camera. Okay, this app works in Android, so I think most of you will already have it. So I'll just select this ear scan camera. The interface looks like this. Here you can click on scan my floor plan. Now when you click on scan my floor plan, you will see the camera getting opened, right? Now you can see my legs on the floor. So I am standing, let's say this is one room. Okay, so this is the entrance of the room, right? This is the entrance. So I am standing at the entrance, and I have kept my phone horizontally on my palm like this, stable on my palm. Okay, while doing that, and where is the face? I am facing just inside. I am facing this side. Okay, I am facing this side, but the phone is not vertical like this. The phone is like this. The camera should be facing the floor, and it should be very much stable. Just keep it on your palm. Okay, standing at the entrance. Once you are stable, you will see the lock and start scan button getting activated. Otherwise it will not get activated. Okay, so once it gets activated, lock and start scan, clicked, done. This is the first step. Next step is, while you are standing at the entrance, so find the entrance. This is the entrance, right? So anywhere in the middle, let's say this is the middle of the entrance, right? This is the middle of the entrance. There is a cross here. You can see there is a pointer. I'll just point it and click on add point. Done. So the first step was marking the degree where you are facing. The second is marking the entrance. Add point. Done. Now you go inside the room and we will actually tap on the four corners. Done. So the first corner, see, this is the entrance. I came from this side. This is the left corner. So I did not go near the corner like this. I can stand here also. Okay, I am standing here. So I'll just point the crosshair in the corner and I'll just tap on add point. You can see there at the top there is information written, right? Entrance marked. So till now entrance has been marked. No corner has been marked yet. So we need to mark the four corners. Okay. So I'll just point here and add point. Done. See, corner 1 added. You can see it. Okay. The next one, I'll not go there. It is very much blocked. I do not want to go there. So I'll just point it and add point. Done. Okay. Now the third one. So this is the third corner. So again, it may be unreachable. I do not want to reach over there. So just make sure that the room has enough light. It should be able to distinguish, since it is doing with the camera. So you need to distinguish the floor from the walls. That's it. Okay. Just light it up. See, here I am pointing at the corner, at point. Done. Okay. You can see the preview at the bottom left. Okay. Now the fourth corner. See here, this is the entrance. So I took the entrance here. This was the entrance. Now I need to take the corner. Let's say this is the corner. So I'll just point it over here and add point. Okay. Do not get confused. The first tap was for the direction, the degree. The second was the entrance door. Third is corner 1, corner 2, corner 3, corner 4. That's it. Okay. A door can be somewhere in the middle also. So you need to tap the four corners. Done. Okay. After you have done it, since in this particular video I'll be scoping it to a single room for simplicity. So let's just close it. I'll just click on close room. Clicked. So it is prompting me to choose a room name. Okay. So let's say this is my study room. So I'll just choose study room. Done. Okay. Now after I have done, I will simply click on finish and use plan. Clicked. Now you can see this is the floor plan that is generated. See, it is almost fine. If I am not very say 60 degree, okay, forget about the slider. Okay, we'll use the slider when we use multiple rooms. Here we are using simply a single room. No need to use the slider. It will not work. Now let's say I want to edit a bit. So edit corners. So you can just play around with the tabs. Okay, make it as you want. Okay, I think I'm satisfied with this. Once I'm satisfied, I'll just click on done editing. Okay, so this is the final one. So you can save it as image. So it will be saved in your gallery. Okay, so you can use it afterwards also. And then place on canvas. So I'll click on place on canvas. So it's saying floor plan placed on the canvas. Okay, done. Now you see this is the Vastu screen. So here you can see at the bottom we have Vastu and analysis. So this is basically a simplified version for the users. Okay, since you are not Vastu consultants, we are not providing you with complex information like gridding, like 16 grids, 32 grids, maybe finding out the center of the house and all those things. They are computed automatically behind the scene. Okay, so you need not know all those calculations. It is very simple UI. So Vastu and analysis, you are only concerned about that. So under the Vastu analysis, Vastu tab, you have these three sub tabs. See, plan, label and compass, where only plan is activated right now. So this is basically a toggle. You click on it, off, on, off, on. Okay, so you should be very familiar with it. Just click on it, off, click on it, on. So you can see the canvas here. So this is your floor plan. Now I'll click on plan and I can increase the size. Okay, you will see the increasing the size. You can decrease the size. Okay, whatever you want, I'll just keep it somewhere like this, and you can move around this floor plan wherever you want. Done moving. Then I'll proceed to label. Okay, so if I click on label, what will happen? See, it is not allowing me to move to label. It is saying first you should set the bounding area. See, it is being highlighted. So click on set bounding area. So here you see, basically we can use 2 fingers to zoom in, zoom out. Okay, now you see, let's say this is my house. I want to see, forget about the study room. This was just a naming convention. Okay, this is not actual. Forget about this entrance button. This is nothing. Okay, I'll have to label it so that Vastu engine knows it. So I'll just tap on a corner. Let's say this is the entrance, right? So I'll just tap. Okay, sorry, I was doing something else. I first need to set the bounding area. So just click on the bounding area. Okay, if you are not okay with it, you can undo it always. Just click on it. Not okay. Maybe now this is fine. Okay, sorry. So you need to keep it fixed. Then this, then this, then this. Okay, 4 taps, and now the bounding box is okay. Done. So click on done. Now you can proceed to label. So just now proceed to label. Now you can see the label has activated. Okay, this is what I was talking about earlier. Okay, so here you can do the labeling. See, label rooms, objects and entrances. So just click on this particular button. I'll click on it and it got activated. Now see, you can just zoom in or zoom out using 2 fingers at the same time simultaneously, and just tap on a particular point. Let's say this is the entrance, right? The red pointer is the entrance. Click on it and choose entrance. See, there are multiple levels. See, there are multiple rooms which you can have. There are multiple objects that you can have in your room, and you can have entrance. Okay, these are the 3 categories. So I'm choosing entrance. Okay, now this is entrance. Now this is marked. Earlier it was not marked. It was just used as a reference. When you label it, it will be used for your Vastu now, Vastu analysis. Okay, next, for example, let's say I have the study table over at this point. Click on it, tap, and let's say study room. Okay, assign. So study room is assigned here. Let's say I'm just assuming. Okay, so if this is my house, let's say I have a toilet over here. I'll just tap it and click on toilet, assign. Done. So toilet is assigned at this particular point. Let's say you want to specifically point, so zoom in how much you want. Okay, exact point. Let's say here you want to have a entrance. Click on it, entrance, assign. So entrance is placed over here. Okay, so this is how, let's say you have an AC point, AC. Done. So wherever you want to label, whatever you want to label, just label it. Okay, because depending on these, your Vastu analysis will work, right? So after this, click on done labeling. Once you do it, you will see the compass tab. Go to the compass tab, click on it. Now you will see a very advanced compass. This is not a generic compass which you see in your mobile already installed. This is specifically programmed for the Vastu orientation. So just click on enable live compass. It looks like this. See, there is a level indicator, there is a steady indicator. So the steady indicator means how steady your hand is while you are actually taking the reading. Okay, and level is whether your phone is on a flat surface or not. Okay, how much it is tilted. So same thing, I am standing at the door facing inside my room. Okay, from here I'll just keep my phone on the palm, just I did in the beginning. Okay, and see the steady level is decreasing, the level is decreasing almost flat 1 degree. Okay, I think it is fine, and steadiness is 100% steady, so it's okay. Okay, so it's showing 59 degree, so I'll just click on hold steady and lock. So it will take a 1 second averaging, okay, so that it's not a mistake. So here you can see 58.6 degree exactly. So this is the degree it got, and after it has got the degree, what I will do, I will just click on save and analyze. So just click on analyze, it will go to the analysis tab. Okay, now the analysis tab is activated. Here you can see this is the reading for my home 27/7/2026. This is when I am recording this video. So with the particular date stamp, it is saving the name. You can change it, you can change the name by clicking on change. You can name it anything, okay, so that you can remember it afterwards. The next thing is what brought you here. So maybe you want to find the Vastu for general case. Let's say you just want to check whether your Vastu is okay or not, or maybe you are having health issues, or maybe you are having relationship issues, maybe you are having wealth related issues, or maybe having career related issues. Many kind of issues could be here. You will see many more options over here when this recording is released, but for now let us say these are the 4 options. Let me choose wealth and money for the demonstration, okay, and I'll click on analyze. So once I click analyze, you can see there are multiple options, multiple things you can see here, multiple tabs, right? So the first one is 16 and 32 grid. So this is basically what a Vastu consultant wants. So this will be given by the drafter, okay, but here you are getting it directly. So you do not need to bring any drafter to draft. You will directly get the grids, and you can get it directly as PDF. You can get it as a report. So if you can consider consulting any Vastu consultant of your choice, where you just need to give this particular gridding. Okay, this is a 16 grid, 16 direction grid, as you have already seen in my videos. Already the center is calculated exactly with a degree oriented. It is a perfect grading. Similarly, the 32 grid entrances, 32 entrances are gridded exactly how you wanted, and it is available. Okay, then you have the directional imbalances of the 16 directions. Maybe one direction is increased, one direction is smaller. So this is how you get it exactly. The next one is the entrance analysis. So entrance analysis you have already chosen while labeling 2 entrances, and both of them are actually not good according to Vastu, and the problems are being displayed here. You will get the reading. Next you have the room analysis. So you have given 2 rooms, the toilet and the study room. Both are favorable in those particular positions, so it is okay. And next object, so AC, it in the southeast, it is not fine, so needs attention. Okay, fix, what are the fixes? Every fix, whatever problems you have in the house, you will be given the remedies for that, and also in the remedies section you will get the remedies specifically for the problems of the house. Okay, so you can get the report from here. You will get it as a premium PDF. You will just get it as a PDF where you can see all the things. Okay, so this is how you can use the Griha Vastu app to scan your entire house and get the Vastu very easily, okay, without even having the floor plan at your home. Okay, now this is the video where I actually showed you with a single room for simplicity. In the next video I will show you how to do it for multiple rooms, so that you can find the Vastu of your entire house. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.